The standard F32T8, which is, by the way, legislated away, we can no longer manufacture that after July 2012. So in a sense, it's going to be a banned lamp, and very well so because it's got a poor efficacy. Compared to that, we have the high lumen lamp, which is about 10% higher in lumens for the same wattage. We have the 28-watt lamp, which is close to the same lumens, but about 10% less in wattage. And then we have the 25-watt lamp, which is a little bit lower in lumens and significantly lower in wattage. So these three lamps are the only ones you should be using from now on. Anything other than this is possibly incorrect for most situations. So it's a very simple, here are the three high-performance T8 lamps. Use one of these and get rid of everything else. Now these lamps, I've put in there the life rating of 42,000 and 46,000 hours. That's incredible. That's on the UltraStart Ballast. What's the UltraStart Ballast? It's essentially a programmed start ballast. It is initially we used to recommend it for situations where you use occupancy sensors. Here's a test we did on standard T8 lamps. In regular instant start ballast, it would die in about 10,000 starts. On the program start, UltraStart Ballast, it lasted up to 243,000 starts. So you can see that the lamp went from 10,000 starts to 200,000 starts. It shows you how gentle the start is. And this takes care of situations where you're turning lamps on and off frequently. This will not affect the life of the lamp much. But even in situations where you're turning lamps on only once a day, the UltraStart Ballast will give you significantly longer life. So in one sense, what I tell people is you couldn't possibly go wrong using UltraStart Ballast anywhere. The other argument is you may not be using occupancy sensors today, but you may decide you want to use occupancy sensors, and then you don't want somebody saying, oh, shoot, we have the wrong ballast in there. So this is a great solution. It's got fully parallel operations. So if a lamp goes out, that's the only one that's out. None of the others are out. It's extremely efficient and, a whole bunch of benefits. What I want to end with is a checklist of considerations on this slide.